Alright, here is a video tutorial on how to fix an alignment file that is out of sync. Let's check this video out. As you can see, from right off the bat, text is popping in. Hello, this is an example video on how to fix alignment that is out of sync. So clearly you can tell that the text starts immediately, so we can go ahead and try to fix this now. So you click the Edit Transcript button. The first thing you want to do is show blanks. I like to show the timestamps as well, every 2 seconds. And you can see the hello starts at 0. But in reality, the hello starts about the 5 or 6 second mark. Hello, this is an example. So we're going to start it. Just go ahead and delete the hello. Then, right at the 6 second mark here, I'm going to click on this blank and add the word hello. Click Save, click Finalize, and it will begin to process. Since this was a very short video, it's already complete, but your videos might be different. Let's see how we did now. As you can see, there's no more text all over the screen at the beginning, so it looks like we might have been successful. Hello. This is an example video on how to fix alignment that is out of sync. So it looks like it might still be a little bit early. So we might need to play with it a few more times. Again, show blanks. Let's do every 1 second here so we can really see if we can find, whoops. There we go. So maybe we'll start it a shade earlier. Just go right about there. Save, finalize. Let's refresh just to make sure it's done. And it is done. Hello. This is an example video. Well, we're a little early, but alignment that is out of sync. Pretty much get the base concept here. So hopefully you can fix any alignments that might be out of sync due to, usually there's a sound in the beginning of the video and the speech recognition thinks that that's the start of speech. So if you ever see like the original example there, then you'll know that's the reason why.